Will you take a look at this? This spur is awesome. Basically, this is the entire spur assembly with an eliminator for the majority of the Traxxas 110 scale cars. And as you can see right off the bat, I mean, this spur, basically, it comes in 54 teeth. We also do sell this in 50 teeth, so it depends on what you're looking for. But for the purpose of this video, this is a 50-tooth spur gear. You have an aluminum eliminator. The difference between this and a slipper is with this one, you have nothing slipping. So basically, all the power that you're pushing is going straight to the wheel, and there's no power that's being lost. And what this does is basically, if you're looking to get your, Traxxas to be a lot more snappy, if you want a lot more power, if you like doing wheelies, if you like doing tricks, and if you just want your truck to be just super responsive, you're gonna wanna run a spur with an eliminator just like this one. Again, this is a 54 tooth, it's 32 pitch, made of hardened steel as far as the metal, the spur part, and then the eliminator is made of 7075 aluminum. It also comes with an adapter bearing, and this one goes in the motor mount. So pretty much in the package, you have everything you need to make the full and complete installation. Now, if an eliminator is not your cup of tea, we also do sell the same exact assembly, but this one is with a slipper clutch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the links for both of these in the description. So if you guys are interested in picking up a set, make sure you check it out. Now, the last thing I'd like to add before I finish this video is a lot of common complaints that people have as far as the eliminators are concerned is there's usually a pin that sits inside where this eliminator sits on. And because the power is direct, as soon as you press the throttle, this pin breaks. But with the Cobra Racing Spur, what we actually did was we hardened the pin. So you're not gonna have any issues with the pin breaking or doing any damage to your car. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you wanna see more content like this in the future, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.